Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayang Lestari. I'm from Department of Biology of Rinsi, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, State University of Malang. Alhamdulillah, in this opportunity, I want to explain insulin can increase mosquitoes' immunity towards Nile virus. Okay. Mosquitoes are a group of about 3,500 species of small insects that are flies or diptera. Almost everyone has had the unpleasant experience of being bitten by a mosquito. Mosquito bites can cause skin irritation through an allergic reaction to the mosquito's saliva. This is what causes the red bump and itching. But a more serious consequence of some mosquito bites might be transmission of serious diseases and viruses. The females are ectoparasites that line on warm blood animal, burst a capillary, and inject saliva to stop the blood coagulation. And then they suck up and eat the blood. The only microscopic parts of them live in the saliva. The males are the nectar feeders, and so the females. However, in the preparation for egg laying, the female turns to blood for its protein. Yes, and next, anatomy of mosquito. Yes, the first is head. The head is the sensory center for the mosquito, where the compound is an antenna located well as probably used for feeding. And then thorax. Yes, the thorax is composed of 3 body segments and each segment has one pair of legs, as a member of the insect or the diptera. Yes, mosquitoes have one pair of wings located on the middle segment. And then the abdomen. The abdomen is composed of thin body segments and has the insect digestive, respiratory, and reproductive system. Yes, this is abdomen. And then wings. Yes, the wing is help the mosquito to fly. And then legs. Yes, the function of the legs in mosquito for fly. Yes, the mosquito have 6 legs, okay? And then yes, this is a proboscis. Yes, the proboscis is a long, serrated mouth part used to pierce the skin and suck out blood. The proboscis holds 2 tubes. One that injects saliva containing an anticoagulation and milk painkiller, and a second that actually draws the blood. Okay, next. Yes, and then mosquito life cycle. Yes, like all insects, mosquito hatch from eggs and go through several stages in their life cycle before becoming adult. Eggs are ready to hatch from a few days to several months being laid. Yes. Eggs hatch when submerged in water. The female lay their eggs in water, and the larvae and pupa stay left eventually develop in water. Yes, and then develop to be larvae. The larvae are aquatic and develop into pupa is a little 5th day. Pupa develop into adult flying mosquito in 2 until 3 days. When the pupa change into a dove, a flying mosquito. They leave the water and become free-flying land insects, and the life cycle of a mosquito can vary from to several weeks, depending even the species. The adult mates female of some species can survive the winter in cool, damp places until spring, when they will lay their eggs, and the female mosquito lay eggs inside containing holding water. Okay, and next, how do mosquitoes bites? Okay, uh, a mosquito is attracted to the human by sensing carbon dioxide, heat, light, and different color from our skin. When a mosquito is a close proximity to our skin, it finds the area where blood vessels are close to the surface of the skin and land on that area. Sometimes a mosquito can instantly bite through our skin and start pumping blood from blood vessels. It can be easily reached, but another time it can take some time for a mosquito to locate a blood vessel under the skin. If a mosquito doesn't find a proper place to insert its trunk, it might fly away and look for other places on the skin to locate its blood vessel close to the skin surface. Yes, when a mosquito have found a place on our skin where blood vessels can be easily reached, it insert proboscis, more precisely mandibles and maxillas, into the skin, so the skin is pierced and moves that does the blood pumping out and saliva pumping can be inserted into um, voice. Yes, and then saliva that contains substance called anticoagulant is pumped into the flesh duct, the hypoperin, to prevent blood vessels from clotting. Next, mosquito pump out blood from the blood vessel, the labrum, the abdomen mosquito can suck. Yes, blood from up to 4 minutes. Mosquito female will suck blood until it fills the abdomen or until this process is interfered or mosquito is killed. After mosquito has finished pumping our blood, the saliva still remains into the area mosquito has bitten, and substance from saliva will cause our body to produce an immune response. Yes, immune response that causes the swelling and itching feeling around the area. Once the immune system has good rid of substance from saliva, the swelling and the itching of the bitten area goes away. Yes, like that. Okay, and next, this is so many impact of mosquito bites. Yes, this is not all, but the first is malaria, and then yellow fever, and then chikungunya. Next with Nile. This is happened in Africa, and then dengue fever, Zika, and filariasis and other absorviruses. Yes, if you know the impact of mosquito is so dangerous. Yes, the researcher is Laura Ahles et al., which study is author and a recent graduate from WSU. Yes, this is a result of research working with the fruit flies, which have similar immune response to mosquito, which mosquito have same or similar with fruit flies. And then the researchers then elicited the same response in mosquito by feeding them both containing injected insulin. Yes, this is if the mosquito um, stuck from the blood of people have many insulin can make the mosquito resistant like that. And then while it was already known that insulin boosts immune response in mosquitoes, this is the first time insulin connection to a particular immunity response pathway called check or states has been identified. Yes, this is the researcher expression. Yes, the people can reduce the overall viral load in the mosquito population if the people can activate this arm of immunity through the insulin receptor in the mosquito. And the second, if the mosquitoes are carrying less virus when they bite the people, they will transmit less of the virus, and there is a better chance people won't acquire the disease. Yes, this is a best way to prevent mosquito bites. The first, this is a use an effective repellent. Yes, look for picaridin, teeth, or in Indonesia, like kids, Yes, and then oil of lemon eucalyptus. In Indonesia, maybe minyak kayu putih, yes, or minyak. And then stay indoor during peak between hours in the dawn and the dusk. And then keep mosquito outside. Use window with screen. Uh, and then or sleep under a mosquito net. And then pour out any standing water. Mosquito breed out still water. Yes, this is a cause why we must pour out any standing water. And then make our aroma less appealing. Yes, please avoid alcohol. And then wear the right clothes. Don't wear dark clothes. Okay, so we will keep from the mosquito bites. Okay, thank you for watching me. I'm so sorry if so many mistakes in my word. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.